Welcome, fellow history teachers, to this World History Interactive PowerPoint series. Each PowerPoint presentation contains detailed slides about the topic. Each slide contains a lot of information, and so the presentations can be individually assigned to students for them to learn by themselves. Each slide is also easily editable in case you want to present the slides with less information and more pictures. At the end of the presentation, there is also a fun interactive quiz. Students can come up and answer questions and help Napoleon open the treasure chest.